Alright, so hello everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I wish you all the best, health, prosperity, luck. Well, to say that it was easy to come here, it probably would say nothing, because the weather is great, of course, and the path itself is good for riding, but it's so narrow and it's so difficult to ride along this very narrow path. And if you make a step out of the path, you are completely in snow up to your knee. The snow is quite deep, but my old friend is reliable, and you can see how much I am rewarded to be here in this beautiful morning in Russia. Wow. And I'm traveling to the river, and I hope that later, further, the path would be at least 10 centimeters wider, and it will be easier for me to get to the river. But nevertheless, oh my God, I'm so blessed to be here. Thank you that again and again God let me watch this beauty, be here, and enjoying it, and enjoying Russian beauty, enjoying Russian silence. See you later. Bye.